to delete drafts from TikTok. How to delete drafts from TikTok, step-by-step, voiceover script. Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to delete drafts from TikTok quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your phone and log into your account. Now, go to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right corner. On your profile page, you'll see a drafts folder at the top of your video grid. Tap on it. Inside this folder, you'll find all your saved draft videos. To delete one or more drafts, tap Select in the top right corner of the screen. Now choose the drafts you want to remove by tapping on them. After selecting, tap Delete at the bottom of the screen, then confirm by tapping Delete again. That's it. The drafts you selected are now permanently deleted from TikTok. Remember, once you delete drafts, they cannot be recovered. So make sure you only delete the ones you don't need anymore. And that's how you delete drafts from TikTok step by step.